Curit 1 is a true single-coat flat roofing system designed to allow for the complete installation of the roof in a single session. Curit 1 has been produced as a single application base coat with no need for an additional layer of top coat. The single coat system can be applied onto an OSB new roof deck, warm roof specifications, or used as an overlay system directly onto various substrates without the need for a primer. The Curit 1 product range includes two pail sizes of Curit 1, the small 6 kg pail for detail and bandage work, and the 18 kg pail for laminating the main roof deck. Summer and winter grade hardener packs are available in two sizes, designed to be mixed directly into the correct size Curit 1 pail. Special Curit 1 rollers should be used when applying Curit 1 to the main roof deck. Stage 1. Surface preparation. Before carrying out any work, clean and remove any debris from the roof. When surface preparation is complete, trims can be fitted to the roof. Stage 2. Installing the edge trims and preparation work. Refer to the Curit installation guidelines for installing trims. Curit provide a complete range of trims to suit the details on the roof. Trims are required for roof edges and selected roof details including parapet walls. At this stage, roll out and cut the reinforcement mat for the main area of the roof and roll up for later use. Remember to overlap the feathered edge by 50 mm. The preparation and bandaging stage is the same process as the Curit GRP system. Bandage is required for trim joins and corners and where the edge trims are secured to the decking or substrate. Refer to the Curit installation guidelines for bandaging. Stage 3. Bandage wet out, coating trims and detail work. Curit 1 requires hardener addition to cure. Adding hardener is easy with Curit 1. Pre-measured hardener packs are available for 6 kg and 18 kg pails of Curit 1. Just add the contents of the bottle to the full can, and mix well. Curit 1 summer and winter hardener packs are available for 6 kg and 18 kg pails of Curit 1. Standard Curit GRP hardener can also be used with Curit 1. Follow the guidance addition charts on the Curit mixing bucket. Mix Curit 1 in the can before pouring the required amount into the mixing bucket following the volume gauge. Depending on the temperature, use the hardener addition chart on the bucket to work out the amount of hardener required for the mix. Use the hardener dispenser to measure out the volume and mix with the hardener thoroughly with Curit 1. Apply Curit 1 to the area where the trims and decking board meet covering fixings. Apply the bandage. Use a roller to coat the bandage with Curit 1. At this stage, also apply Curit 1 to the trims. Wet out the strips of bandage and position into place across trim joins and corner joins. Allow to soak into the bandage before shaping them to suit details. Use a brush to shape and blend in the bandage for a seamless joint. Use a dabbing motion with a 2 inches brush to mold the bandage into position. For a smoother, neater finish, use detail tissue over the bandage and work it in using a roller. Apply the tissue just after joins and corner bandage has been worked into position. Detail tissue can also be applied to bandage over trim joins and corners for a smoother finish. Stage 4. Laminating. Pre-measured hardener packs are available for 6 kg and 18 kg pails of Curit 1. Just add the contents of the bottle to the full can, and mix well. For Curit 1 roof surface coverage rates, refer to the Curit 1 Ready Reckoner. Curit 1 accelerator packs can be added to Curit 1 to speed up the working time in colder temperatures, and inhibitor packs can be added to slow down the working time in hotter temperatures. Open the can of Curit 1. Before adding any hardeners, mix Curit 1 thoroughly with a paddle whisk for even consistency. If using inhibitor or accelerator, pour the entire contents into the 18 kg can. Never mix accelerators and hardener at the same time. Begin with a paddle mixer on a very low speed setting and fully submerge it in the resin before turning on. Start slow, this prevents the contents from flying out of the can. Gradually increase the speed and move the paddle whisk around the can. Make slow, controlled circles to ensure the paddle reaches the sides and bottom of the can. Keep the can clamped on either side with your feet to prevent it from spinning around. Once thoroughly mixed, add the required amount of hardener packs depending on the temperature. Follow the same mixing steps as before using a paddle whisk to mix the hardener into the resin. Continue mixing until the hardener is removed from the top and mixed into the resin, ensuring the texture and viscosity is consistent. Lift the paddle whisk up to check the flow and consistency. Turn off the paddle whisk before removing and lift above the resin level. Spin the paddle slowly to remove excess residue and place it into a bucket, ideally with acetone to clean. Using a slate baton or stick, scrape around the sides and bottom of the can and mix this into the bulk of the resin to finish the mixing process. Working in 1 square meter sections, apply Curit 1 to the deck. Roll out the first strip of pre-cut reinforcement mat over the Curit 1. Apply Curit 1 to the mat, covering all areas of the matting. Repeat the process for the next square meter area, Curit 1 on the deck, roll out reinforcement mat, apply Curit 1 to mat. A wash coat of Curit 1 can be applied to the completed square meters as you go. Continue this process to complete each row, making sure the mat overlaps by 50 mm on the feathered edge side. Curit 1 should cure in 1 hour dependent on temperature, and with no top coating stage, the roof is complete. The single coat system is a seamless, tough, flexible and waterproof system with a 20-year materials guarantee. For further information about Curit 1, visit our website www.curit.com.